Hi there. It's been a complicated weather picture across the UK as mild and wet Atlantic air moves north and comes up against cold Arctic air that we've had in place across the northern two-thirds of the UK. And what we've seen through Thursday is one band of rain move north, turn to sleet and snow in places across Wales, northern England, Northern Ireland and southern Scotland, and then another bout of rain moving into southern parts of England and South Wales, where there continues to be a yellow rain warning because of the risk of further issues due to that heavy rain overnight and into the start of Friday. Now, we've got that mild air moving north and it is winning out, and as a result, the snow increasingly becoming confined to higher parts of northern England, Peak District northwards really, rain almost entirely now across Wales, and increasingly the snow also confined to hills across Northern Ireland into southern Scotland through the night above 150-200 metres. But still, the scope for significant snow accumulations could cause some issues over the Antrim Mountains, the Sperrins, the Mournes, as well as the South Pennines up into the southern uplands. And so mostly this is a hill snow feature, but there could be some patchy snow at lower levels for parts of Scotland as the main band of precipitation moves north overnight before eventually the snow level rises by the start of Friday. And these are the kinds of amounts that could occur. So a couple of centimetres possible at lower levels initially before eventually above 300 metres. Most of that snow will be lying 8 to 10 centimetres possible in places. And that could cause some impacts on the roads, for example, first thing Friday. Otherwise, it's rain that will be the main talking point, I think, overnight across much of England and Wales, away from higher parts of northern England. Initially, a band of rain moving north and then followed on by blustery showers into Wales, southern and southwestern England. Further north again, to the north of this weather front, we've got clear conditions across parts of western Scotland, cloudier further east and north with further wintry showers coming through, further accumulating snow for the far north and northeast of Scotland, for example. -2 Celsius here, but 10 Celsius in the south first thing, although it's not going to feel very pleasant with the blustery showers moving through, merging to longer spells of rain to the south and southwest, as well as South Wales for a time, some heavy downpours, but also some drier interludes emerging as the day goes on. Meanwhile, the main band of rain, sleet and hill snow moves north. Again, most of the snow settling over hills above 200 or 300 metres. Could come down to lower levels for a time across eastern Scotland, but as the day goes on, it will mostly be hill snow. And there will be some significant accumulations with temperatures here at 2 or 3 Celsius, but further south, the mild air really taking control, 12 or 13 in the far south. And with some sunny spells coming through, it's actually going to feel quite pleasant out of the breeze. Now, later Friday, we're going to see that snow building up significantly over higher parts of eastern Scotland. As you can see, rain at lower levels, certainly near the coast, but snow over the hills and some really substantial accumulations, 20 centimetres above 300 metres, a few centimetres building up at lower levels, and the further north you are across Scotland, the lower that snow height will be. So potential for disruption increasingly further north as we go through Friday, the milder air affecting the rest of the UK. Areas of cloud and showers, certainly some showery rain for Northern Ireland, into southern Scotland, northern England as we go through Friday night into Saturday. Some clear spells further south, but further showers come along for Wales and the southwest. And once again, significant temperature contrast, close to freezing in the north and northeast of Scotland, but back to mid to high single figures elsewhere across the country. We start Saturday with some sunshine for England and Wales, certainly through central and southeastern parts, but further showers are moving in across Wales and the southwest, so never too far away from a shower towards the southwest, but the best chance of any sunny spells will be across northern and eastern England. Much of Scotland and Northern Ireland sees cloudy skies, outbreaks of rain and some hill snow for the north and northeast of Scotland, but that will ease as the day goes on. And for many places, it is relatively mild, 8 to 11 Celsius, just clinging onto the cold air there in the far north of Scotland. Plenty going on, but eventually the wintry stuff becomes confined to the north and then the far north with rain elsewhere, but some brighter weather into the weekend as well.